Have you ever had lunch with penguins? Not behind glass, but actually in the room with you? Because this happened to us and I still can't quite believe it. We booked the Lunch with Penguins experience and it was honestly incredible. We started with a beautiful 3-course meal chosen in advance and then the room changed completely. The penguins came in, walking around, curious, calm and absolutely adorable. The team shared stories about them, conservation and how they care for these amazing animals. Kids were encouraged to ask questions and you could feel how passionate they are. We were completely mesmerized. Seeing them in real life like this was a true core memory for us. And if you ever wanted truly special experiences or adventures similar like this or anything like that, do not hesitate to message at Amber Getaways and I'll take care of it for you. I can provide the holiday quotes, but I'm not on cleanup duty for whatever the penguin left behind.